Methods of preparation. Preparation by alcohols. When alcohol is reacted with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of zinc chloride. The hydroxyl group of an alcohol is replaced by the halogen chloride and produces pure alkyl halide. And water. Radical halogenation. When butane is reacted with free radicals of chlorine under UV light or heat, it produces mono and polyhaloalkanes. Electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution of arenes with halogen and catalyst like iron produces ortho and para isomers.